Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. That's great. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. Obviously by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all new notification of my latest videos. So guys, today I'm presenting your favorite one hairstyle and hair color, funky hair color ideas. I know you were waiting of my latest video. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your another favorite topic and beautiful funky haircut and hair color ideas. So let's start the video. As you can see, I am presenting all the beautiful funky haircut ideas which are going on trending these days. And no doubt these all funky hair colors are very classy, amazing, mind-blowing, fantastic that after watching these you will be inspired to get them as early as possible as you watch them. These all funky hair colors are really gorgeous, amazing, mind-blowing and fantastic. After getting them, you will be feel like a model and celebrity. Well, these all funky hair colors are really amazing, classy, and the best thing is that any scale of age of ladies can adopt these hair colors. Even though overage ladies can also adopt these hair colors as well. After getting them, you will be ready to go anywhere, anytime. You can attend functions, weddings, receptions, fashion shows. You can go casually, formally, informally. You don't need to style them for a long time after getting them. And also, after getting them, you will feel classy and like a motor as well. So, guys, I hope you like my video today. If you do, then please appreciate me through comment section and share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they will get updated with fashion and trend, and I will suggest you always to watch this video till the end. Your support is really honor to me and keep me energetic to make video for you guys according to your choice. So thanks for watching, and again don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. I will be there in next video with one of your and other favorite topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you all and have a great hair day.